camera, Mom.
Evening, YouTube. What up? It is 6:45 Monday evening. What's the date? 28th.
Yep.
We are headed to rescue the bees that we went and looked at last night. We took the siding off, first layer of siding. Got down to the looks like 1x10s, 1x12s. Beautiful wood, but just the bugs have eaten it alive. Thought we had about a 2-foot hive is what I was thinking, and it's closer to 6 feet long, about 2 foot wide, and then it goes to a point. We're gonna turn in here and we're gonna see if we can't get these bees. Won't take much to get the siding off. It's pretty rotted. Only thing I haven't done is gone inside, made sure that the queen can't escape inside. My big old hand. It sure does look big that way. Not really sure how we're gonna put all this video together, but I'm gonna do this little spot and try to put up just a few minutes. This hive started here, and we've got video and GoPro, and there's probably a camera on this. I had Nikki videoing for me, but we had comb all up to here, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, 4 or 5 layers. They had it long. Had a lot of new comb down here, and we've got them. Let me get my flashlight, see if I can find the flashlight that I dropped earlier. Hey, working with them, it's kind of interesting because it will get, at least it'll get to your nerve after a minute, a little bit, and you just kind of have to step away and calm down, because they're flying around and they're buzzing and they can tell you're aggravated. I'm climbing this ladder and everything's covered in honey, but check that group out. And I've been vacuuming for 2 hours. I'm interested to see what they got going on down here. I know, I moved this forward. Let's see. Let's go up there. Okay. Anyway, just thought I'd kind of check in and show you what's going on. And like I said, we got video we got to work on. Lots of video, a lot of editing. This has been fun. Really has. All right, here's the plan. Here's the plan. It's 11:30, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, this is my vac box, and I think it's full. It's still vacuuming, but it's just, I don't know. I'm a little worried. So we've got one of these boxes almost empty at home. We're gonna take this and the vac box home. Set these guys up either tonight or probably tonight, because we're worried about ventilation. We're gonna leave this amount of comb up here, my finger, up here, put some cardboard or something over it, give them a little privacy. That'll help round up the stragglers. So we'll get over here tomorrow night and finish vacuuming out. That's our plan. That's what we're gonna do. All because we think the vac is full. I've been vacuuming for 3 hours. I have vacuumed a bunch of bees. A bunch and bunches and bunches of bees.
Okay, I'm going in.
Hippie. Out.
Yep.
I wanted to tell y'all something over this loud fan. The amount of drones that we have seen, and we're probably not going to be able to show you. Yeah, there. That's a drone. Almost every one of those guys look like drones. Drones over there, all around there. Everything we see crawling, 90% of it is drones. The amount of drones is just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. How many drones are running around. Drones, drones. That's B. Drone. Mama, pick up this block right here that's on your toe and tap it over the... But it's just crazy how many drones. There's a drone right there.
That's the girl.
Drone, drone, drone on the side. I mean, there are just drones everywhere. Everywhere. Drone on Shelly's back.
Yeah.
Gabby's back. Just a drone.
I know, but...
Just a drone. Sorry, I hope I just didn't let you moon the camera.
You probably did.
I didn't mean to. Well, you get the idea. Alright, we got some metal put up there, same stuff we had first time we opened it. And I could see bees when I closed up my box. So we leave the light here. I'm gonna leave the light here. I don't think anybody's
I'm asking you if you want a flashlight for when you walk through
Oh,
the truck.
no. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Pause.
You're gonna be
Oh, wait a minute. Did I not know you could do that? I think I did. Yeah. No, I didn't know you could use that button. Okay, I just learned something cool. Check this out. Okay, we got a Kia Soul White. That's not our Kia Soul White, but that's what our driveway looks like. Cool, huh?